Okay, so moving on to the next one. We again loose items. It's a pre-owned items as well. So DX Gaburevolver from the Kyoryuger, and so I hope you enjoy this one here. Okay. So the item is loose items, and so let's check that, how's that, the scratches or everything like that, and let's see. Okay, so how many years now since that, Kyoryuger ended? I guess, this has been like a 3-4 years now. All right, so comes with the Gabutira and Stimero. I believe this is a DX one there. Okay, so all the, changing that picture design inside. Okay, so Stimero and Gabutira is here together with it. Okay, so let's check that inside more. So the detail, what do you think? Okay, so there's not really the scratches. Okay, I can see some corner. I mean, the painting came off over here, and just a silver painting over here too. The mostly silver painting part. Okay, and on the top, if you go here, so you can see that some of that the paint came over here on the top. Only the corner points. Okay, so I can see that too here, and so it's being used, of course. So it's used toy. All right. Okay, that looks good too. All right, so let's check that functions. But the battery first. Aha! That's green. See that? Can you see the green terminals over here? It's very important for the loose items. Okay, so allow me to put the batteries. 2 AAA. Okay, so let's hear the sound. Okay, so how about this one here? Trying to find out the best position with the speaker. Okay. That's good. Okay. Opening, closing. Pretty good. Okay. So let's use that one. Gabutira. Number 14, Stimelo. All right. Okay, so I think I shoot out the Hisat's attack first before the transforming. I'm sorry about that. Okay, but just wants to check that the sound actually. Okay, so how about the Henshin? Everybody's dancing? Okay, sounds pretty cool, huh? All right, so I like it. All right, so the loose items DX Gaburevolver is, comes with it without any instructions, but it really works fine. And so, well, this item is going to be sold tomorrow, Sunday activation at 8 p.m. Japan Standard Time. Just remember that we just only got one nice one. I know I've been, traveling a lot for the toy hunting, and then I see that the Gaburevolvers and in many places. Okay, but however, not just many, but we have to select a good one from them. Okay, so one of the important thing is for this items is that comes with those two Judenches. Of course, there are no damages on the surface, of course. Okay, and so it's sometimes kind of hard to find the good ones. Okay, because all I notice is that pretty damaged one a lot in the used toys market, especially the Gaburevolver. It's very much loved by the Japanese children and fans. Okay, so it's been used a lot, but this items works fine. Not much damage outside. I highly recommend it. Okay, so thank you very much. And moving on to the next, and again the Kyoryuger items coming up is a Zander Sander. Okay. And so hope you enjoy this after this. Okay, thank you. I'll be back.